Proteus Boss base. We're going to use salt runners. That's it. We're going to clear this bad turkey without much trouble. First thing I do, I send in one soul runner to take that out. Then he leaves. Now wait till these guys fly off. Send another one in, take that out, and the rest is easy. Minimal damage. Alright, send a soul runner in. Take out that base, or not that base. He'll get out without... Okay, good. Not much damage at all. Wait till he leaves. If he stays on, he'll shoot you, so wait till he leaves. And then bring in a tune of soul runners and clear the base. Alright, now let's clear the space. 9 soul runners. You can bring in 10. I have 2 tunes and 9, so I just use 2 tunes and 9. Just keep them moving. Keep them moving. They'll get almost no damage. Take out the Proteus. Boom. Now let's just run around the base and kill everything. Biggest thing you got is the Gorgons, which aren't really a threat, but that's about the only thing that's going to give you damage. Put it on Ruby and clear the rest of the base. Come on, Ruby. It's just that easy. I think we'll get another part. Alright, now, let's go look and see how much damage we got. Should be minimal. Two minutes, and the base is flat. Let's see what we got here. Alright, 56 seconds. And the other one has 59 seconds. That's it. Just that easy. Just that quick.